Hey guys, this is Gail Andrews, also known as a Money Medic, here to share 3 things with you that will help you be your best self. Number 1 is confidence. You have to have confidence in being yourself. Yep, you got to be prepared, but be spontaneous, because the energy that comes from your authenticity is where your greatest confidence flows. Because you being committed is being unapologetically you. Number 2 is belief. Many times, other people's belief in who you should be overshadows your own belief. And remember, feedback is a gift, and you can choose to accept it or you can leave it on the shelf. You have to commit to believing in your ability to figure things out, because you can. Number 3 is congruency. Your habits have to align with your personal goals. In other words, what you say you want to achieve should be consistent with what you do on a daily basis. When you set a goal but aren't taking actions to achieve it, you create discord, tension, and opposition. So more importantly than what you say is what you do. In closing, confidence, belief, and congruency are the perfect ingredients to the recipe of creating your best self. So that's it, guys. Please like, leave a comment, and smash that subscribe button to get notified when my next video comes through. Have a great day.